Tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. Pi by 4 is 45 degree plus 90 degree. 45 plus 90 is 135 degree. 135 degree can be as 3 pi by 4. Sine inverse of 1 by 2 is equal to pi by 6. 2 3s gets cancelled. You will get 2 times cos pi by 3. Cos of 7 pi by 6. See, pi by 6 is 30. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, Faculty of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College. In the previous classes, we have discussed regarding the properties of inverse trigonometric function. Today also I am going to discuss a few more properties of inverse trigonometric functions and the problems based on those properties. Now let me start with this. Trigonometrical ratios. First I will write down the trigonometrical ratio. Let me write the table because once if I write the table it is easy for you to follow the problems. Now the trigonometrical ratios. Now you know this 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degree. Let me write this table first. So here this is sine, cos, tan. This is enough for me. Now this is also equal to pi by 6 radians. This is equal to pi by 4 radians. This is pi by 3 radians and this is pi by 2 radians. So sine 0 0, sine 30 1 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2, sine 90 is 1. Reverse this. 1 sine 0 1, sine 30 is equal to root 3 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 1 by 2 and sine 90 is 0. For tan divide this. 0 by 1 is 0, 2 gets cancelled, 1 by root 3, this 2 gets cancelled, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 gets cancelled, 1, 2 gets cancelled, 3 by 1 is equal to 3, this is root 3 and 1 by 0 is equal to infinite. Now, there are few more properties that I will take. Now, I will write the properties. So, the properties, the very three important properties which we are going to study is, the first one is sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is always equal to pi by 2. Sine inverse, cos inverse. Then tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is also equal to pi by 2. And the third one, sine, cos, tan, cot. What is left over is secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse of x is also equal to pi by 2. So these are the three very important properties. Based on this, I am going to solve the problems. I will give the proof for these properties also. Now, come to the first problem. Now, these are very important problems for 2 marks. Usually, you will get this type of problems for the point of examination. This is very easy and very simple. Entirely depends upon the trigonometrical ratios of the 0 to 90 degree. That's standard angles. Now, what is given? Find the value of cos inverse 1 by 2 plus 2 times sine inverse of 1 by 2. This is the given equation. So, the given equation is cos inverse 1 by 2 plus 2 times sine inverse 1 by 2. Let us come to this table. So, cos inverse 1 by 2, for pi by 3 it is 1 by 2. So, this can be written as pi by 3 plus 2 into, for sine 30 is 1 by 2. So, sine 30 means pi by 6. So, this is equal to pi by 6. You can divide. So, this is equal to pi by 3 plus pi by 3, that is equal to 2 pi by 3. Okay, see here, cos inverse of 1 by 2 plus 2 sine inverse 1 by 2. Cos inverse 1 by 2. Cos inverse 1 by 2 means cos of pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 plus sine inverse of sine 30 degree. Sine 30 is nothing but pi by 6. So, 2 3s gets cancelled, pi by 3 plus pi by 3 is 2 pi by 3. This is the direct method. Now let us come to the second method, or over R. I will write the second method. Second method for this. What is the given equation? Given equation is cos inverse 1 by 2 plus 2 sine inverse 1 by 2. Now let us split this. Cos inverse 1 by 2 as it is plus 2 sine inverse can be written as sine inverse of 1 by 2 plus again sine inverse of 1 by 2. Right. So cos inverse 1 by 2 as it is, 2 sine inverse can be written as sine inverse 1 by 2 plus sine inverse 1 by 2. Now I have given one formula. So I will give the proof for that also. What is the formula here? See here, sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is always equal to pi by 2. That means since sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is always equal to pi by 2, this entire quantity can be written as pi by 2 plus what is sine inverse of 1 by 2? Sine 30. Sine 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. So this can be written as pi by 6. Take LCM. 6 is the LCM. 2 3s gets cancelled. 3 pi. 6 gets cancelled. Pi. 3 pi plus pi is 4 pi by 6. This is 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 3s are. This is equal to 2 pi by 3 radians. So 2 pi by 3 radians. Same, one and the same. You will get the same answer. Right. Hope you are following. See here. Direct method. Cos inverse 1 by 2 is pi by 3 plus 2 into sine inverse 1 by 2 is pi by 6. Divide it. 2 3s gets cancelled. Pi by 3 plus pi by 3 is 2 pi by 3. Very easiest method. Or otherwise you can use the property. Since 2 sine inverse x can be written as sine inverse of x plus sine inverse of x. That is sine inverse 1 by 2 plus sine inverse 1 by 2 is 2 sine inverse 1 by 2. Cos inverse 1 by 2 plus sine inverse 1 by 2 is of the form sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. This entire quantity can be written as pi by 2 plus sine inverse of 1 by 2 is nothing but 30 degrees. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So that is nothing but pi by 6. Take LCM. 6 is LCM. 3 pi plus pi. 4 pi by 6 divide by 2. 2 2s are 2 3s gets cancelled. You will get the answer as 2 pi by 3. So any method you can use, you can follow. Okay. But this is very important problem. Now come to the same type of problem. Now what is the problem given? Find the value of tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse minus 1 by 2 plus sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. Now let me take the given equation. What is the given equation? Tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 plus sine inverse of minus. So first method. In the first method, I will write the value of tan inverse 1. Tan inverse of 1 is nothing but pi by 4 because tan 45 is 1 plus this cos inverse. In the previous class I explained. So for sine inverse of 1 by 2, sine inverse 1 by 2, sine 30 degree, that is nothing but pi divided by 6. If it is negative, sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 means it is minus pi by 6. Whereas for cos inverse 1 by 2, cos inverse 1 by 2, cos inverse 1 by 2, cos 1 by 2 comes for pi by 3 radians. So this is pi by 3 radians, 60 degrees. Whereas cos inverse of minus 1 by 2, as I told, cos inverse of minus x is also equal to pi minus cos inverse of x. So for negative value of cos, we are going to use pi minus that particular angle, pi minus pi by 3, 3 pi minus pi by 3, this is equal to 2 pi by 3. Let me substitute those values. Cos inverse of 1 is pi by 4, cos inverse of minus of is 2 pi by 3 plus sine inverse of minus of, sine inverse of minus of is minus pi by 6. This is equal to pi by 4 plus 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 6. Take LCM. What is the LCM for 3, 4 and 6? Write down the LCM for 4, 3 and 6. Let us take 2 2s are 3 as it is, 2 3s are, again this is 2 1s are, again 3 1s are. So 3 2s are 6 2s are 12. 12 is the LCM. Then what happens? So 12 divides 4 times, 4 divides 12 by 3 times, you will get 3 pi. Again 3 divides 12 by 4 times, 4 2s are 8 pi. So 6 divides 12 by 2 times, you will get 2 pi. What is this equal to? This is equal to 8 plus 3, 11 pi minus 2 pi. 11 pi minus 2 pi by 12. This is nothing but 11 minus 2 is 9 pi by 12. Divide by 3. 3 3s are 3 pi divided by 4. So the simplified answer for this is 3 pi by 4 is the simplified answer. Followed. See here. Tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. Cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 is 2 pi by 3, because cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 is pi minus pi by 3 is 2 pi by 3. Again, sin inverse of minus 1 by 2 is minus pi by 6. Pi by 4 plus 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 6. Take LCM, 12 is the LCM. So what you will get? 3 pi plus 8 pi plus 9 minus 2 pi. 11 pi minus 2 pi is 9 pi by 12. That is nothing but 3 3s are 3 4s are divides 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 is the simplified answer. Okay. Now, otherwise, or I will rub this. Now, I will go to the second method, or. Second method. For the same problem, I will take the second method. Now, what is the given equation? Given equation is tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse minus 1 by 2 plus sin inverse of minus 1 by 2. Now, this is equal to tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. As you know, this is of the form sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, entire quantity. This quantity is of the form sin inverse x plus cos inverse of x is equal to pi by 2. So, sin inverse of minus 1 by 2 plus cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 is always equal to pi by 2, because this is of the form cos inverse x plus sin inverse x is pi by 2, 90 degrees. Take LCM, 4 is the LCM, 4 gets cancelled pi. So, you can divide 4 from 2 pi, you will get 2 pi plus pi is 3 pi by 4. This is the answer. See the difference? No difference. So, the answer is 3 pi by 4, 3 pi. Any method you can follow for this. This is the easiest method in this case, right? Because tan 45 is pi by 4, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2, pi by 4 plus pi by 2. So that is 4 is the LCM, pi plus 2 pi is 3 pi by 4. Or so instead of that, you can also write like this: pi by 4 is 45 degree plus 90 degree. 45 plus 90 is 135 degree. 135 degree can be as 3 pi by 4. That's it. Very simple. So the answer for this is 3 pi by 4. Okay. Now come to the next problem. Let me go to the next problem. What is the problem? Same type. Find the value of tan inverse of root 3 minus secant inverse of minus 2. Now let me write what is the value of tan inverse root 3. Since tan 60 degree, tan 60 is nothing but pi by 3. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. Tan 60, sin 60 by cos 60. Again, secant inverse of x can also be written as cos inverse of 1 over x. Now, here tan inverse root 3, this given equation can be written as tan inverse root 3. What is the value of tan inverse root 3? Pi by 3. This is 60 degrees. Because sin 60, root 3 by 2, cos 60, 1 by 2, 2 gets cancelled, root 3 1 is root 3, 60 degree. Tan 60 is root 3. So, tan 60 is equal to root 3 means tan inverse of root 3 is equal to pi by 3 minus this secant inverse of minus 2 can also be written as cos inverse of minus 1 by 2, because secant inverse x is equal to cos inverse 1 over x. This is equal to pi by 3 minus, you know the value of cos inverse 1 by 2, cos inverse of 1 by 2. Since sin 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 60 is also equal to 1 by 2, this can be written as pi by 3. Since this is negative, cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 can be written as pi minus pi by 3. Take LCM, 3 is the LCM, 3 pi minus pi is 2 pi by 3. So I can write here as 2 pi by 3. Take the LCM, 3 is the LCM, pi gets, 3 gets cancelled, pi minus 2 pi. This is equal to minus pi by 3 is the simplified answer. The answer for this problem is the value of tan inverse root 3 minus secant inverse of minus 2 is minus pi by 3. See here, tan inverse root 3 is pi by 3, 60 degree, minus secant inverse of minus 2 can also be written as cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. Since cos inverse of 1 is 1 by 2 is pi by 3. If it is negative means pi minus that particular angle. Cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 is pi minus pi by 3. Take LCM, 3 is the LCM. 3 pi minus pi is 2 pi by 3. So, here pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 3. Take LCM, 3 is the LCM. Pi minus 2 pi is minus pi by 3 is the simplified answer for this problem. Followed. Very easiest. Once if you know the trigonometrical ratios of standard angle 0 to 90 degree, then you can easily solve this type of problems. Let us come to the next problem. The next problem is, so this is also very important problem. Find the value of tan inverse of 2 cos of 2 sine inverse 1 by 2. First find out the value of this inverse trigonometric function. Now this given equation can be written as tan inverse 2 times cos as it is. Again 2 into, what is the value of sine inverse 1 by 2? Sine inverse of 1 by 2 is always equal to 30 degree. That is nothing but pi by 6 radians, because sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine of pi by 6. So this can be written as pi by 6. Right. Now simplify this. 2 3's gets cancelled. This is equal to tan inverse of 2 times cos pi by 3. Now this is equal to tan inverse 2 into, what is cos pi by 3? Write down the value of cos pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60 degree. What is cos 60? Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute the value. Cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. You will get tan inverse of 1. What is the value of tan inverse of 1? Pi by 4. The simplified answer for this is pi by 4. Very simple problem. See here. Tan inverse 2 cos 2 sine inverse 1 by 2. First, write down the value of this sine inverse of 1 by 2. Sine inverse of 1 by 2 is equal to pi by 6. 2 3's gets cancelled. You will get 2 times cos pi by 3. So, what is cos pi by 3? Cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. Tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of 1 is equal to 45 degrees. Pi by 4 radians. Now, come to the next problem. What is the next problem? See the problem. Same. Find the value of tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse of minus root 3. Now, here, I can, you just find out the value of tan inverse root 3. What is tan? Tan 60 degree. Tan 60. Tan pi by 3. Tan pi by 3 is equal to root 3. Okay. Similarly, tan of pi by 6 is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay. See here, I will go back. So, what is tan? Root 3 comes for tan. What is tan? Where is root 3? Here it is. Tan of root 3 is pi by 3. Tan of 1 by root 3 is equal to pi by 6. Pi by 3 and 1 pi by 3, and tan of pi by 3 is root 3, and tan of pi by 6 is equal to 1 by root 3. Now substitute here. The given equation can be written as, what is tan inverse of root 3? Tan inverse of root 3 is nothing but pi by 3 minus, since there is one formula, you know, cot inverse. So cot inverse of minus x is also equal to pi minus cot inverse x. Cot inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse x. Since cot inverse of root 3, cot inverse of minus root 3 can be written as pi minus cot inverse root 3. Now this is equal to pi minus, what is the value of cot inverse of root 3? Cot inverse of root 3 is nothing but pi by 6, because cot of 30 degree, cot 30. What is cot 30? See, sin says cos 30 root 3 by 2, sin 30 1 by 2 gets cancelled, root 3. This is equal to cot of 30 degree. So cot 30 is equal to pi by 6. Take LCM. 6 pi minus pi is 5 pi by 6. So I will write here, it is 5 pi by 6. Take the LCM. 6 is the LCM. This is 2 pi. 6 gets cancelled. Minus 5 pi. So this is equal to minus 3 pi by 6, or this is also equal to minus pi by 2. Divide by 3. Minus pi by 2 is the simplified answer for this. Listen, let me explain once again. Very simple and very important problem. Tan inverse of root 3 is pi by 3 because tan pi by 3 is equal to root 3 minus cot inverse of minus root 3 can also be written as, since there is one formula, cot inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse x. Cot inverse of minus root 3 can be written as pi minus cot inverse root 3. Pi minus cot inverse of root 3 is pi by 6 because cot 30 degrees is equal to root 3, that is pi by 6. Take LCM. 6 is the LCM, 6 pi minus pi is pi by 6. Substitute here. So cot inverse of minus root 3 is pi by 6. Take LCM, 6 is the LCM. So 3 times gets cancelled, 3 2s are 6, 2 pi, 6 gets cancelled, 5 pi. 2 pi minus 5 pi is minus 3 pi by 6. Divide by 3, 3 1s are 3 2s are minus pi by 2 is the simplified answer for this. Followed? Hope you are following. This is very important problem. Now let us come to the next problem. What is the next problem? Find the value of sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. This is also a very important problem. Now let us write down given equation sine of pi by 3 minus, just find out the value of sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. See here, sine inverse of 1 by 2, sine 30 degrees, sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2, sine 30, that is pi by 6 radians. What is sine inverse of minus 1 by 2? This is equal to minus pi by 6. This can be written as minus pi by 6. This is equal to sine of pi by 3 minus into minus plus pi by 6. So this is equal to sine of pi by, take LCM, 6 is the LCM, 3 2s gets cancelled, 2 pi plus 6 gets cancelled, this is equal to pi, this is equal to sine of 3 pi by 6, that is nothing but sine of pi by 2, sine 90. Sine, what is sine 90? Sine 0 is 0 and sine 90 is equal to 1. So sine pi by 2, sine 90 is equal to 1. The simplified answer is 1. That's it. See here. Sine of pi by 3 as it is. Sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 is minus pi by 6. Minus into minus plus pi by 6. Pi by 3 plus pi by 6. That is, take LCM, 6 is the LCM. So 3 2s gets cancelled, 2 pi, 6 gets cancelled, pi, 6, 2 pi plus pi is 3 pi by 6. 3 1s are 3 2s are, 3 1s are 3 2s gets cancelled, pi by 2, sine 90 is equal to 1. Or here itself you can straight away write sine of, what is pi by 3? Pi by 3 is 60 degree. 60 degrees, pi by 6 is 30 degrees. 60 plus 30 is equal to 90. 90 can be written as pi by 2. You can straight away write this step, pi by 2. Sine 90, what is sine 90? Sine 90 is equal to 1. That's all. Okay. So this is how we are going to solve this type of problems. Now let us come to the next type of problem. So find the value of sine inverse sine, cos inverse cos, tan inverse tan. Now you know that, we know that the properties, yes, in the last class I have taught sine inverse of sine theta is always equal to theta if theta lies between minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2. Sine inverse sine theta is equal to theta where theta lies between minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2. Up to 0 to 90 degrees, sine inverse sine is always equal to theta, whatever it may be, either it may be positive or negative. Now the second property, cos inverse of cos theta is always equal to theta if 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to pi. So that means in between 0 to pi, cos inverse of cos theta is equal to theta. Up to 180 degree the range. And whereas the tan inverse of tan theta is always equal to theta where same minus pi by 2 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to plus pi by 2. Okay. Now let us come to this problem. What is the problem given? Sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3. This is sine inverse. Now see here, sine 2 pi by 3 is 60 degrees. 60 degrees is nothing but 60 into 2 is 120. Sine 2 pi by 3 means 120 degree. It's greater than 1, it's greater than 90 degree. So convert this 120 degree to less than 90 degrees. Now let me write here. So I will write here sine of 2 pi by 3. Sine 2 pi by 3 can be written as, there is one formula, sine 180 minus theta, since sine of 180 minus theta is equal to sine theta. Sine 180 minus theta comes in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine theta is positive. So this sine 2 pi by 3 can be written as sine of pi minus, what is theta here? Theta is equal to pi by 3. See here, pi minus pi by 3. So if we simplify this, take LCM, 3 is LCM, 3 pi minus pi is 2 pi by 3. So this is nothing but sine of 180 minus theta is equal to sine theta. This can be written as sine pi by 3. So substitute here, this becomes sine pi by 3. Sine inverse gets cancelled, that is equal to pi by 3 is the simplified answer for this. The value of sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3 is equal to pi by 3. Okay, listen to me. So convert this sine 2 pi by 3 to less than 90 degrees. 2 pi by 3 means 120 degree. Convert this to less than 90 degrees. This 2 pi by 3 can be written as pi minus pi by 3. So because sine 180 minus theta is equal to sine theta, pi minus pi by 3 can be written as 2 pi by 3. Take LCM. So you will get this 2 pi by 3 itself. Sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. So we are going to get it as sine pi by 3. Sine inverse gets cancelled. That's equal to pi by 3 is the simplified answer for this. Hope you followed this. Now come to the next problem. What is the problem? Cos inverse of cos 7 pi by 6. Let us consider this cos 7 pi by 6 first. Cos of 7 pi by 6. See, pi by 6 is 30. Pi by 7, what is the radians of this? 7 into pi by 6 is 30. This is equal to 210 degrees. Greater than 180. So the range of cos inverse is 0 to 180. Greater than 180. So convert this to less than 90 degrees, less than 180 degrees. Now this can also be written as, since we know this formula, there is one formula, cos of 180 plus theta is equal to minus cos theta. You can use this. Now this can be written as cos of pi plus theta is equal to pi by 6. Simplify this here. So if you simplify, 6 pi plus pi is 7 pi by 6. What is cos of 180 plus theta? Minus cos theta. This is minus cos pi by 6. So this can be written as cos inverse of cos of minus pi by 6. So this is equal to minus pi by 6. Once if it is negative in cos, we are going to use pi minus pi by 6. Take LCM. 6 pi minus pi is 5 pi by 6 is the simplified answer. The simplified answer for this is 5 pi by 6. See here, I'll explain once again. Cos of 7 pi by 6. Cos of 7 pi by 6. Since we know 7 pi by 6, 210 degree. 210 degree can be written as 180 plus 30. 180 means pi plus 30 means pi by 3. That's it. So pi by 6. Cos of pi plus pi by 6. 180 plus 30. Pi plus pi by 6. Cos 180 plus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Minus cos theta is equal to pi by 6. If you simplify this, you will get 7 pi by 6. So 6 pi plus 1 is 7 pi by 6. So 7 pi by 6 can be written as pi plus pi by 6. Now if you apply the formula cos 180 plus theta minus cos theta minus cos pi by 6, you will get, substitute here, cos inverse, this is equal to minus pi by 6. Since if it is negative means this can be written as pi minus pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6 means 6 pi, yes, 6 pi minus 1 pi, that is 6 pi minus pi is 5 pi by 6 is the simplified answer. Or you can write here itself cos inverse of this can be written as, this is cos of pi minus pi by 6. Simplify this, cos inverse cos pi by 6. So this is equal to pi by 6. One and the same. You'll get simplify here or there. That's it. That's how we are going to solve this problem. Now let us come to this problem. Tan inverse of tan 3 pi by 4. So let us convert this tan 3 pi by 4. What is 3 pi by 4? Pi by 4 is 45 degree into 3 is 135 degree. Tan of 130 degrees. 3 pi by 4 is nothing but 3 into 45. This is 135. So tan 135 can be written as tan of 180 minus 45. That's it. Put it in the form of radians. So tan 3 pi by 4 can be written as tan 180 minus 180 means pi minus pi by 4. Simplify this here. Take LCM. 4 is LCM. 4 pi minus pi is 3 pi by 4. Tan 3 pi by 4 can be written as tan pi minus pi by 4. What is the value of tan 180 minus theta? Since tan 180 minus theta comes in second quadrant, tan is negative. Tan 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. So this can be written as minus tan pi by 4 minus tan 45 degree. This given equation can be written as tan inverse of tan of minus pi by 4. So tan inverse gets cancelled. This is equal to minus pi by 4 because the range is from 0 to plus or minus 90 degrees. So the value of this tan inverse tan 3 pi by 4 is minus pi by 4. This is the simplified answer. Okay, listen to me carefully. Since 3 pi by 4 can also be written as tan 3 pi by 4 can be written as tan of pi minus pi by 4. 180 minus theta. Tan 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. That is minus of tan pi by 4. If you simplify, you will get this. Tan 3 pi by 4 can also be written as tan pi minus pi by 4. Take LCM. 4 pi minus pi is 3 pi by 4. So now apply the allied angles for this. Tan 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. What is theta here? Pi by 4. So that is tan of minus pi by 4. Tan inverse tan of minus pi by 4. Tan inverse gets cancelled. That's equal to minus pi by 4 is the simplified answer for this problem. Right. Hope you followed this. So these type of problems are very important for the point of examination. You will get at least one question either for 2 marks or 3 marks. Okay. Let us come to the next problem. What is the problem given? Sine inverse of sine 3 pi by 5. Let us convert sine 3 pi by 5. What is sine 3 pi by 5? Sine of 3 pi by 5. This is nothing but sine of, what is 3 pi by 5 first? 3 into pi is 180 divided by 5. So this can be written as 5 3s are 15. What is remaining is 30. 5 6 are 30. 36 into 3. 36 into 3 means this is 108 degrees. 108 degrees. This can be written as, how to write this? Sine of 108. This can be written as 180 minus, that is nothing but sine pi minus 2 pi by 5. So what is this equal to? 180 minus 108 degrees. That is, so if I write pi minus 2 pi by 3, what is LCM? 5 pi minus 2 pi is 3 pi. So what is this equal to? Sine 180 minus theta. Sine 180 minus theta is equal to sine theta. Okay. Now here, because pi by 6 is 36 degrees, pi by 5 is 36 into 2 is 70 less than 90 degree. So this can be written as sine of 2 pi by 5. Right. Listen to me. Sine 3 pi by 5 can be written as sine of pi minus 2 pi by 5. That is, sine 180 minus theta is equal to sine theta. If you simplify this, 5 pi minus 2 pi is 3 pi by 5. Sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. This can be written as sine inverse of sine of 3 pi by 5 can be written as sine of 2 pi by 5. So sine inverse gets cancelled. This is equal to 2 pi by 5 is the simplified answer. The simplified answer for this is 2 pi by 5. Listen once again carefully. I will explain once again. So convert the sine 3 pi by 5. Sine 3 pi by 5 can be written as sine pi minus 2 pi by 5. take LCM, 5 is the LCM, 5 minus 2 pi is 3 pi by 5. Since this is of the form sine 180 minus theta is equal to sine 180 minus theta is equal to sine theta. Substitute here sine inverse of sine 3 pi by 5 is nothing but sine of 2 pi by 5. Sine inverse gets cancelled. That is equal to 2 pi by 5. So, sine inverse of sine theta is equal to theta if theta lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Cos inverse cos theta is equal to theta if theta lies between 0 to pi. And tan inverse tan theta is equal to theta if theta lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So, these are the few problems based on the properties. Hope you followed this. Now, that's all for the day. In the next session, we will have a few more properties and the problems based on the few more properties. So, the next session is very, very important session. So, practice this for the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.